Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today is St. Patrick's Day and I was not planning on doing a green look today, but it just turned out that way and I thought, hey, how appropriate is that? And you probably won't be seeing this on the actual date because I still have to sit down and edit and upload it, but this is going to be a very short video and hopefully I can get it done tonight and maybe tomorrow it'll be up. I don't know yet. I can't promise anything. But anyway, I decided to, play around with makeup. My school has been canceled for another week due to the coronavirus, so I'm not going to school right now, and my work hours are just a little bit different right now, so I'm just at home and why not play with makeup, right? So here we are. Very dramatic, but I am very pleased with this look. It's very easy. It looks like would take a very long time, but it actually took me no time. I use the Tati beauty palette. You guys know that I love this palette, and the colors that I use Ritual, this what is it called? No, this is Soothe, Ritual, and then this one, the black one, is Memory, and this is my first time using this and it blends so well. That's why I love this palette so much, because the way the colors are so beautiful and they blend amazingly, and that's why it didn't take me a lot of time today to create this look, because of this amazing palette. And of course I use other palettes to create the green, but you'll see that in the video. So all right, if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. So as you can see, I already have one eye done, and when I was getting ready to film, my battery was not charged at all. Like, I was doing other things and I was so confident that I had it charged from the night before and it was in the camera. So while I was waiting for it to charge, I decided to do this eye. And now let's just do this one. So I'm gonna start with primer or concealer to set the, actually, you know what, I did not use this concealer. I'm so used to using this one, but today I wanted something just a little bit lighter than this one, and I have it right here. So this is the Covergirl concealer that I used, and this one is just a little bit thicker and lighter than the other one, so I'm just gonna go for this one. And I'm also going to set that with the translucent powder. And for the black, I use the Tati Beauty palette. I am first going in with this one right here. This is Soothe, just as my transition shade. And then I'm going to go in with the brown and then go in with the black. And I'm just gonna add this all over my crease and on the outer corner. Now I'm gonna take the dark brown, this is called Ritual, and with the same brush I'm just gonna add it to deepen that color. And I'm just adding it on the same area where I added Soothe. Now with the black, I'm gonna grab a profusion brush like this. This is still fluffier, but it's more taper than the other one that I was using. So I'm just gonna grab that and go all over the outer corner and then blending it up. And I do need a piece of paper to create this line right here. So let's go ahead and add that. Alright, and now I'm going to use the same concealer to cut the crease, and I'm going to use a very small brush like so. Alright, so now that I have that on there, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Neon Palette, and I'm going to use this one right here. And just very generously with my finger, I am going to grab that and add it on the lid. That is so bright and it's so pretty. This is the only eyeshadow that I like from this palette, but the other ones didn't work out so much for me. But I'm gonna grab this brush right here from e.l.f. and going in with that same color and applying it where my finger can get to. I love that color. It's so bright, it's so beautiful. So on the outer corner, to connect those two colors together, I'm going to use another palette. This is normally what I do when I'm doing my makeup. I use different palettes. Lately though, I've been using just one palette to create one look, but I feel like this look needs something more, you know. And the Tati Beauty was amazing. I have not used this the black one before, and I think it's pretty good, so that's why I wanted to use the Tati. And then of course this for the dramatic neon yellow. But for the outer corner, to connect those, I'm going to be using the Tarte Pro, what is this? Pro Remix palette. And again, with my finger, I'm going to go with this green. This is called Color Explosion. And just going to grab some of that and then add it on right there. And then with this Vasanti brush, I'm gonna grab that green and blend those colors. And I'm gonna bring just the top part, I'm gonna bring it up. Now with an angle brush like this, I'm going to grab just a little bit more of that black eyeshadow and very lightly create this line right here. And I'm going to very slowly kind of blend that line up just a little bit. And of course I do want a little bit more of a shimmer on the lid. So I'm going in with the same palette and I'm going to go with this one right here. On the pan it looks very white, but when you add it on the lid, it has like a green iridescent shift. So I'm grabbing a lot because you have to grab a lot with this. There is no like pigment payoff with this palette, so I am grabbing a lot with my finger and I'm gonna add it on the yellow part. This look right now looks absolutely crazy. It looks like, what the heck am I doing, right? But once the face is done, eyelashes are on, it will come together. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll come back to do the bottom of my lashes. So I'll be right back. eyelashes are on, and of course I'm using the Kiss Ever Easy eyelashes. So now I'm gonna add eyeliner. I normally don't use black eyeliner, but I feel like this look really needs a black eyeliner, so I'm gonna be using the Silky Eye Pen by Pixie, and I am almost completely out because it is very, very silky. It's very beautiful. If you're looking for a black eyeliner, this is a really, really good one. All right, so I'm just gonna add that on the waterline. And now with a flat brush like this, I'm going back with the Tati palette, and I'm going in with this black one right here and just add that on the lower lash. I'm not going to bring it all the way in. I'm going to stop right in the middle because I do want the green right here. And I am going to grab a different brush to kind of blend it out. Alright, now I'm going in with this one right here, and I'm gonna bring it out right on the outer corner, the inner corner. Not the outer corner, the inner corner right here. And I'm really gonna pack that on because I want this area to be very, very bright. What I should have done, I should have added white there first. Oh well. So I'm actually gonna grab this one right here. I don't think I've ever used this one, and I'm just gonna put that on top of it to make it a little bit lighter and not too yellow looking. I do feel like I need some of this shimmery one right here on that outer corner too. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that right there. Did it make a difference? Oh. Right, so I think that's it for the eyes. I'm just gonna add mascara to my lower lashes, and I'll be right back with the final look. But this is the final look. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. When I was doing this eye, I was like, what am I doing? I almost just gave up because it was just looking bad. And you just have to kind of trust the process, and I've been doing this long enough that sometimes I don't trust it. But I kept going today, and I actually do like the way everything looks. I mean, I'm very pleased with it. I did use a lot of palettes today, but I like the finished look. I was not planning at all whatsoever to do a look like this today, but you know, here we are. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I will list all the products that I used on the description box, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.